Hey there! Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Gmail effectively. With so many features and tools at your disposal, it's easy to get lost in your inbox. But fear not, we're here to help you master Gmail with some tips and tricks to improve your communication. First up, let's talk about searching your emails. Did you know that you can search by sender, recipient, date, subject, or even words in the email? Simply type the keyword in the search bar and voila! Finding that specific email has never been easier. Next, let's talk about labels. Labels work like tags that help you organize your emails. You can create them, apply them, and even color code them. By labeling your emails, you can find them quickly and easily. Now, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are great because they save you time and effort. For example, pressing C on your keyboard will compose a new email. Pressing R will reply to an email. And pressing A will reply all. Another feature is scheduling emails. Sometimes it's not convenient to send an email right away. With Gmail, you can schedule them to be sent at a later time. This is great for when you want to send an email at a specific time without being at your computer. Lastly, let's talk about blocking unwanted emails. We've all had those annoying spam emails and newsletters that we don't want cluttering our inbox. Gmail allows you to block these emails and send them directly to your spam folder. And there you have it, folks. Some tips and tricks to help you master Gmail. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.